So hello everyone. This is all about the World Schizophrenia Day, Awareness Day, and the theme was celebrating the power of community kindness. About the 24th May, which was celebrated as the World Schizophrenia Awareness Day, but in our college late celebration, 27 May. Let's discuss about schizophrenia. Schizophrenia is a chronic and severe mental disorder that affects the person thinking, perceptions, emotion, behavior, and impairs ability to distinguish between the what is real and what is not. And that is a leading the disorganize the thoughts, hallucination, delusion, and social withdrawal. And let's discuss about the history. What is history? The word schizophrenia is derived from the Greek word that is mean the split mind. ঠিক আছে, তারপরে আসলে ফার্স্ট দ্য সিজো means the split and phenia means the mind. Let's discuss about the term where it is from begin, that is the Swiss psychiatrist given the schizophrenia name Eugen Bleuler in 1908, and previous term was given by the Emil Kraepelin by dementia precox, and according to Bleuler's 4A was symptoms, that is the association disturbance, loosening association, formal thoughts and disorder, and second A is affect the disturbances, that is the flat affect, and third is autism and tacit thinking, and last is the ambivalence, inability to make a decision. There is a myth that the schizophrenia is multiple personality disorder, but actually not. And let's discuss about the epidemiology. What is the origin? According to the World Mental Report 2020, schizophrenia is affects 21 million people worldwide. That means that one of every 285 people. There is the point prevalence 0.5 to 1%. The incidence ratio was 0.5 per thousand. That is gender distribution. That is the male little bit early, and the schizophrenia occurs little bit early, that was 10 to 25 years, but there is a poor prognosis. And the female there are late onset, that is a 20 to 35 years, but there is a good prognosis. And the second is etiology, main part of the etiology, that is monozygotic twin is greater to the 46% than the dichotomic twin. And there is a risk factor about the family members. If the one parent has schizophrenia, then the chance of developing a child, that is 10 to 12%, and if both the parents have schizophrenia, then chance of developing schizophrenia increases 40%. And there is a chromosomal theory, that is a deletion of chromosome, that is some part of the DNA of chromosome number 22, that is the long arm of the 22 chromosome 11.2 develops schizophrenia among the 30% of the people. The second is the biochemical hypothesis, most important hypothesis, that is the increase in dopamine level, that is the neurotransmitter that leads to schizophrenia, and other neurotransmitter also affect the schizophrenia, that is the increase in serotonin level, but there is decrease in GABA, glutamate, norepinephrine, and acetylcholine. That is neuropathological factors, that is the decrease in cortical volume, gray matter, that is the increase in lateral and third ventral side. And let's the third etiology, that is the psychological theory, and it is very common. There is stress and trauma, that is has a major role. Extreme prenatal maternal stress, unwanted pregnancy, and most important childhood trauma, that is the physical, sexual abuse, and the social isolation. And very interesting of the etiology is others, that is the place of birth and upbringing. There is a very increased risk of in urban region who are born and brought up, and migration. At the recent time, the observation said that the first and second generation migrants have the increase of risk of the schizophrenia. And let's discuss about the symptoms. There is a three types of symptoms: positive symptoms, negative symptoms, and the catatonic symptoms. First of all, positive symptoms. There is a good prognosis. There is the delusion. This is the very common. There is the false personal belief based on the incorrect inference about the external reality that is firmly held despite objective and obvious contradictory proof or evidence. False personal belief and contradictory proof or evidence. And there's a hallucination. False person by sense without any external object or a stimulus. And this is special false. Negative symptoms, that is the bad prognosis. There's the anhedonia, the loss of interest. And the evolution, that is loss of will, allergy, and it is decrease in verbal communication. That's the catatonic symptoms. That is the motor symptoms. There is stupor, extreme immobility, excitement, extreme hyperactivity, and echolalia. That is mimicking the experience speech. That is the patient. If you call the patient, what is your name? Then the patient also call that what is your name? And echopyrexia. That is mimicking the examiner action. That is if you are doing the spinning of the head, then the patient also touching the head. And let's discuss about the diagnosis. There is the base of the following symptoms. There are the delusion, hallucination, disorganized speech, catatonic behavior, and negative symptoms. According to DSM-5, that is the diagnostic and statistical manual of mental disorder 5. This is the given by the American people or American Association, APA, and the patient should have 2 or more symptoms and at least 2 symptoms. Person first 3 from the above. Our total duration is 6 months. And according to the ICD, there is the well recognized given by the WHO ICD-11, was proposed by the 2022, and DSM-5 is according to data 2013. And duration should be greater than 1 month and with at least 2 symptoms of the above. And let's discuss about the management, which is very essential of our topic. This is the pharmacological treatment. First, we will give antipsychotics. First generation antipsychotic, second generation antihypertensive. First generation haloperidol, buprenorphine, and etc. Second generation is the atypical, clozapine, and antipsychotic. And third is the depot injection. Depot injection is given on those those who are not trying to give the first and second generation in pill or the daily basis. They are given in 2 to 6 weeks after. And note, that is a more important thing about the clozapine, that is it is given when the treatment resistance or schizophrenia or resistant schizophrenia. Use only the patient does not respond to first and second generation antipsychotic because it has many side effects. Electroconvulsive therapy given with the acute suicidal activity and the catatonia and the violent behavior. And third and most important management is the psychoeducation and the patient of the patient, group psychotherapy, family therapy, and vocational and rehabilitation, and the occupational theory and self-employment. And most important things, the telemanners in our national of India, which are given our the third prize about the mentioning the telemanners. The toll-free number 14416, which is always open 24/7 helpline number. That is the main mental health rehabilitation and helpline, making the mental health a priority. And most important thing is that visit our psychiatric department, talk freely to our doctor and faculty. And the theme about the poster is the community kindness. There is one act of kindness can spark a chain of love, listening without judgment, one smile, one helping hands. And the important thing was said by the university in our opinion that the early help is better outcome. And be kind, spread kindness, and celebrate kindness. Listening without fear, and join our movement. It is given by our Vijay brother, that's 2022-23. Goodbye.